Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with IV8888. Today I've got just a very quick video I want to make for you. You're actually going to be seeing a couple of videos, one being our man can announcement, so check that out as well. But I wanted to make a separate video about this custom pre-order knife that we're doing. We are only running this sale on this knife until November 11th. All right, so we got to get our orders in. It's a pre-sale, and that way we're looking for Christmas delivery on this. This is a really cool custom knife that we're doing through Bastion. It's the only one of this type that's ever going to be made by Bastion for us. It's a nice compact EDC folder, and we're looking at like around a Christmas time delivery is what we're really pushing for on these. So I have to have the orders in by November 11th. That's when we're going to cut the sales off. So if you want to get a great gift, you can support the channel. All right, you know, funds that we earn off of this knife go right back into supporting the channel. So you can support the channel. You can get a cool, unique gift for a family member, relative, or for yourself in time for Christmas. We just thought this would be a cool thing to push here on the channel. A lot of folks really enjoy that Brutus knife that we did. We decided not to do the Brutus again. Some folks were requesting a knife that was a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to conceal, a little bit more compact. And this is just a great blade shape and a nice functional folder that can be used from everything for cutting open boxes or whatever you want to do. Great. All right, so we'll talk about the materials a little bit. There'll be specs on the website. If you go to IRAKveteran8888.com, you'll see a link in the description box below that'll show you all of the specs to this particular knife. But the big thing is you got D2 stainless is what the blade material is made out of. We went with a black acid wash. That was really important to me. This knife is exactly to my specifications. You got a lanyard loop, an interchangeable pocket clip that can go left or right depending on which way you want to put it in your pocket or which pocket. All right, let's see. The handles are made out of G10. It's a unique texture. Gives you some nice grippiness there. It is a frame lock with a roller ball bearing in terms of the mechanism. Now, there are going to be a couple of tiny, tiny little changes. This one is a prototype. We are going to do one of the like thumb or finger assists on the back to be able to flick it open. So this one is lacking that feature right now. And then obviously they should have the logo on them as well, the Iraq Veteran logo. So if you want to support the channel and get a great gift for a family or friend or for yourself, this is a great way you can do it with this little custom. So if you want to get that, get your orders in by November 11th. I have to have all the orders in so we can put in our order and get them shipped over from Bastion. And it's going to take a little while to make them. And we hope to have those in your hands well before Christmas. So if you're looking for a great Christmas gift and you love the channel, you love what we do, and you'd love to support us, this is one of the most direct ways you can support us is with a knife pre-sale or going over and picking yourself up a man can, or obviously t-shirts and merch over on the website. All those things support us directly and allow us to continue taking on the good fight and putting out great content for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And we have many more videos on the way. We hope you'll go pick yourself up a custom folder and wear it and use it proudly. And I definitely want to thank you for all of the years of support that I've gotten from y'all. And thank you for supporting our channel financially and through watching our content. Many more videos on the way. Thank you for being a part of it, and we'll see you soon.